Kemp, Morrison, and Ross's instructional design plan, this model consists of 9 steps that emphasize a learner-centric approach to instructional design. It starts with identifying the instructional problem and ends with evaluation instruments. The steps include 1. Instructional problems refer to challenges or gaps in the learning process that hinder effective instruction or prevent learners from achieving desired learning outcomes. These issues are associated with the characteristics, needs, or abilities of the learners. Knowledge gaps. Learners might lack prerequisite knowledge or skills necessary for understanding new material. Motivation and engagement. Lack of interest or motivation in the subject matter can hinder learning. 2. Learner characteristics encompass a wide range of attributes, traits, and factors that define and influence how individuals learn. Learning styles. Individuals have different preferences for how they absorb and process information. Some might prefer visual aids, others auditory cues, and some might prefer hands-on experiences. Learning styles include visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and reading/writing preferences. 3. Task analysis. It is a systematic process used in instructional design to understand and break down complex tasks or skills into smaller, manageable components to achieve a specific goal. Identifying the task, defining the specific task or skill to be analyzed. This could range from simple activities like tying shoelaces to complex procedures like performing surgery or programming a computer. 4. Instructional objectives. It is also known as learning objectives or educational objectives, are specific, measurable statements that describe what learners should know, understand, or be able to do after completing a learning experience. Specific and clear. Objectives should be precise and unambiguous, clearly defining what learners are expected to achieve. They should focus on skills, knowledge, behaviors, or attitudes. 5. Content sequencing. It refers to the deliberate organization and arrangement of instructional materials. It involves structuring the content in a way that enables learners to progress systematically from simpler concepts to more complex ones. Logical progression sequencing ensures that the content flows logically, building upon previously learned concepts. It typically moves from foundational or prerequisite knowledge to more advanced or intricate information. 6. Instructional strategies. It refers to the various approaches, methods, techniques, and tactics used by educators and instructional designers to facilitate learning and achieve specific learning objectives. Active learning encourages learners to actively engage in the learning process through activities, discussions, problem-solving, group work, or hands-on experiences. This approach fosters deeper understanding and retention of information. 7. Designing the message. It involves crafting the content and delivery of information in a way that effectively communicates the intended message to the audience. It's about structuring, organizing, and presenting information in a manner that is clear, engaging, and conducive to learning or understanding. Clarity and simplicity. Ensure the message is clear and easy to understand. Use simple language, avoid jargon or complex terminology, and present information in a straightforward manner. 8. The development of instruction. It involves translating the instructional design plan into actual learning materials, activities, assessments, and resources. Creation of learning materials, developing or assembling the necessary materials, resources, and content required for instruction. This includes textbooks, presentations, handouts, videos, online modules, interactive activities, and any other instructional materials. 9. Evaluation instruments. These are tools or methods used to assess and measure various aspects of learning, performance, or outcomes in educational settings. These instruments provide a structured and systematic way to gather data. Tests and assessments. Various types of tests, quizzes, exams, or performance assessments are used to measure learners' knowledge, understanding, skills, and abilities.